Alright, hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. This is my 2013 Ford F-150. Just got it in March of this year. Bought it used. I'm trying to get it back up to the standards that I like in my vehicles. It was very well maintained. And here's the motor. It's the naturally aspirated 3-point-something V6. This is what I'm going to fix today. When I noticed that it was torn, it's torn down here, which I'm going to replace this. I found the replacement material on eBay of all places. There's two people selling them. One guy was selling the material as well as the tools. Another guy was selling it, the material minus the tool, which I bought. So I'm going to open up right now. And actually sent directions too. This is the new material, which feels like a completely different type of material. It probably has a 3D printer, it's my guess. It's one piece, two piece, three pieces, and some clips. And the tool that I need is a screwdriver, which I have plenty of. And one of these guys to pry off the old. So I'm going to try to make a video of replacing these, just because I had such a hard time finding the product, and to give this guy a shout out who sent it to me. Alright, so I read the instructions, which I normally don't do, but the guy who sent me the material said to take the front headlight off, which is 3 screws with a 10mm, which is what I'm going to do because this is going to be the hardest one. Out. There you go. That's why that headlight needed to come out. So this is the first one I'm going to put in. And I'm going to start popping these clips off with my screwdriver here. I got leverage on the other one. That was cake. This one I can't get leverage on. There we go. There's one. Now I gotta get one here, one here. Easy. Easy peasy. I grabbed the replacement clips. I wanted to compare them to the ones that I pulled off. They look pretty close. So I'm going to use the new ones because they look good. That's the first one done. Well, of course that fell. This is actually a pretty simple job. Imagine if you've done it before, it'd take you 5 minutes. So I need to put the headlight back on. Everything's lined up, this should snap in. Yep. There we go. Guess it just goes like that. Easy peasy. Let's see if this comes off. Nope. There we go. Come on, baby. 1, 2, 1 right there. Gotta be gentle because this is plastic now. It's radiator shroud. We're almost off. And I'll get one more. So it looks like these have to go on first. And I want to keep it in the same position so I can see. That bottom one was ripped off. It's still in the hole peg. Come on, baby. It's always that last one. Always that last one. So I'm going to line these up just like that. Pre-do these. This one was pretty bad shredded. What I'm doing is lining it up with the one that I just took off. and I'm going to put it together right in the same order. So these first three hook to the radiator shroud or case. Cake. Come on, baby. Where's the hole at? Up there. Okay. Two at the bottom here. Make sure it's in the right spot. There's a bunch of holes down here. So that one goes here. This one goes there. And then this one was behind this clip right here. There's a clip right there. That's that. I mean, there's no other way. All right, here's a summary and a quick shot of the finished job. There's 3 panels, one here, and one over here. Everything lines up pretty nice. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips on that one. 1, 2, 3 clips on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the back on that bottom one. Hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out. I am a fan of the product, and thank you, Mr. eBay, for hooking me up.